What's up, everybody? Biker Dave here. This happens to be a 2020 Chevrolet Traverse, but what I'm about to tell you will apply to just about any vehicle over the last maybe 10 to 20 years old. Let's say you just got a new car, or you're in a rental car or someone else's car. You don't know much about it. You're curious of which side of the car is the gas door on. Most cars it's on the left side, but there are other cars where it's on the right side. If you want to know really quick, just zoom in to your fuel gauge and you see that right there. It tells you this gas door is on the left side of the car. Bada bing, bada boom, done. I know many people already know this, but some have no idea. If you're a new driver, maybe a young person, getting your first car or something, there you go. So check out my channel. I got all kinds of stuff relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, golf carts, Denago golf carts, club car, E-Z-Go, Yamaha, motocross bikes, Yamaha motocross bikes, all kinds of cool stuff. Over 2,000 videos on our channel. We appreciate you watching. Make sure you click the like, subscribe, follow. You'll see all kinds of social media links in the description of this video and products that we recommend and use ourselves. Look for all that in the description of any of our videos, and it'll send you to the link on Amazon how to purchase them. So check it out. That's it for now. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you.